In this video, I will show you how to create a beautiful face to scary X-ray skull effect for Halloween special. Stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm Dev, back with another Affinity Photo tutorial. Today I will show you how to create a beautiful face to scary X-ray skull effect in Affinity Photo. At first, select your photo and make a copy of it by Ctrl J copy. Then hold Ctrl key and press I, invert. Go to right below adjustment black and white. I'm using here my custom black and white preset. I already uploaded about this best black and white preset. You can check this video on right top I button or check in video description. I will put the link. Now bring the skull image. You can find this image on Google search. Now adjust the skull image with below face. Take your time and adjust it. Then put the skull image layer below black and white effect so that skull image became also black and white. Now select skull layer and go to left side toolbar. Select Mesh Wrap tool. Now when Mesh Wrap tool activated, hold those points and adjust it with face shape. Add mask on skull layer, foreground color black, select paintbrush tool, hardness 0, and brush on the edges of skull. Make it soft and so that it mixes with below face image. Now just single click on eye portion and reveal it. change skull layer opacity around 50%. Now this is an optional, as here I find a spot on eyes. Maybe it coming from original photo. Let's see. Oh, that's a tiny light of eyes. Anyway, we can remove this very quickly. Select above all layers, Ctrl+G, put it in a group folder, then hold Ctrl+Alt+Shift+E snapshot. Select in painting brush tool. And brush on that spot area. This will remove this unwanted spot from the image. Done. Now make a copy of this snapshot by Ctrl+J, copy. Change blend mode to multiply. Now create a new layer or add blank layer. Double click on color. On hex panel, put this color code 008894 and hit enter. Select flood fill tool and fill it this color. Now go to blend mode and change to hard light. Looking good, right? Few adjustment, use levels. Now add some text. I'm typing Happy Halloween. Now select text layer, go to below effects, click on outer shadow, feel free and check those radius. On the color box, change black to any color. And that's it. This is my final output. How you like this work? Comment me down below this video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my work with Affinity series, then subscribe this Affinity Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Affinity Photo effect tutorials. You can support me on my Instagram account, link in video description, and also you can check out the other amazing videos in channel playlist. Thanks for watching, and I will back with another video soon. Till then, keep practicing and have fun with Affinity Photo.